Good morning!
Good morning!
Good morning! Hi! Kamo ba nangita og mga solusyon sa inyong kinabuhi kung paano mag-increase ang inyong income? Just like us. Hi! Louise is here. Cause Louise is here coming to you. Originated from the Philippines. Now live in Ontario, Canada. And this is all my business partners here.
Hi, I'm Michelle from Calgary, Alberta. Originate from Philippines as well, but I was raised here for like the past 18 years.
Hi, my name is Mercy. I am originally from the Philippines, Bisaya, Kayong Dako, from Cagayan de Oro City. Now we live in Toronto, Canada with my family. I have two grown-up daughters. They are already in their 20s. And I am an online digital business owner.
Yes, naami karon sa Lake Louise. So amo na ipakita sa inyo ang lugar diri. That's sa Canada. It's so beautiful place. Look at that one. Oh my God.
There's a lake in there, but
yeah,
we're
there's
not
a lake
there.
but we are not there. But yeah. So that is the place. So what we love about in this business, Michelle?
What we love about
Yes, what we love about this business is that it's offline. Online meets offline, and basically you get to connect with other people. You're on the business for yourself, but not by yourself, right? We are connected to people around the world. We are able to like get support. We don't have to do this by ourselves. When you get started, you don't even need to have an online business experience. You can get success on this one. I didn't even know anything about it, right?
Yeah.
So it's so fun. Like people who are like not even have any kind of business experience at all. Never ever.
True.
Yeah.
Like even like didn't even have any social media presence at all, they can get success on this.
Yeah.
Right.
How about you, Coach Mercy?
Yes.
We are all coaches here.
Yes. What I love about this business is the portability and the flexibility. I hate going to my cubicle before, and this business, we can bring this business anywhere. Even if we're going here, we're going in the retreat, we're going in the beach or anywhere, that we're gonna bring this business with us, because we only need a cell phone and a laptop.
Internet.
A laptop, cell phone, and internet.
That's so
and
true.
you know what? You can have this business. That's why I really love this, because you know what? You can be with other people. You can enjoy, and your business is run 24/7 in the background.
Oh,
Yes,
thank
definitely.
you, Coach Mercy. Because what I love also about in this business is you're not just increasing your income here, but also you're learning, your growth in here, and like your growth in here is a massive. Because somehow like you're studying in the masteral that cannot be cannot be found in the masteral, but you can found in here. So that is what I love about in this business, and gladly enough that God lead us into this business, and beyond blessed, beyond grateful, beyond blessed, and know with all the people around the globe, and we are like a family.
Yeah,
So
definitely.
if you're-
to say that,
Yeah.
I want to get on top of that one, is that you're able to like not just your health, mental, physical, or mind, like every area in your life has improved.
Yes,
Like,
improved. That's so
definitely.
true. So
Yes.
that is why so if you're really looking, you can resonate what we are talking and looking for something increase in your income and you said house on a plan B. Take a leap of faith. Nothing can lose. Like just discover the world of possibilities, because the world of possibilities is in here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Open up your world. Be
open-minded.
open to possibilities.
Yes,
Nothing change
open-minded.
if you don't change.
Absolutely. So make a decision now. There is something link in below. Then register your name
Click the link
and
below.
email address so that you can get inside and you can get the more information about what we are doing in here.
Yes, watch.
All right.
Hindi ka makinanglan mag-English, marunong.
Ay, oo nga.
Oo,
Hindi
oo,
ka kay nanglan.
Yeah,
Oo.
so like you can like do
Mag-Bisaya,
Bisaya,
ano mo,
Magtagalog
dialect mo,
ka,
yeah.
mag-Ilocano ka,
Di na
mag-Ilongga ka.
kinahanglan marunong mag-English.
Oo, para lang
Basta
mag-buwan
kaintindi ka lang,
niya,
basta kaintindi.
Yeah,
ka lang.
that's so true.
Yeah.
Okay, so don't be scared.
Oo.
We have to overcome our fear to faith. Okay, bye. God bless.
Click the link.
Yes.